Those birds are fighting or something else. Hey friends, welcome back to the Wild Blue. Today, Biddy and I are going to put the kayaks into the St. Johns River. We're gonna head down to Exchange Island, which is just under the Matthews Bridge outside of downtown Jacksonville, where we're gonna walk some trails, we're gonna have a picnic, and I'm so excited that I could barely sleep last night. So I can't wait to get into it. So let's do just that and let's get into it. We are back out. Biddy is back out on the water after, I think, 5 years. 5 years actually, yeah, 5 years. Wow, it's been a long time. So we're getting on the St. Johns River. The tide is starting to go out. So we're gonna get around this thing, but Exchange Island's just around the corner. Oh, look at these tugboats. That's cool. Oh, and hinga. All right, so we're gonna go down underneath the Matthews Bridge.
Take them to the Matthews Bridge!
And then we're gonna hit the dock. Is it rough? It's not that choppy, a little choppy. How you doing over there? How's the chop? It is, it's lovely. But he said it's really nice out. Hoping to. Do you want to go across right here and then hug the island? Doesn't look like there's any boats coming. Right straight in front of us? We just got to go down past the bridge, and it's a little bit of a trek past the bridge. Huh? Already there. We're already there. What song is that? All right, so you get the Matthews Bridge going into downtown Jacksonville, or it will take you out to Arlington Expressway to Atlantic Boulevard on out to Neptune Beach, baby. Oh, this is cool. Oh, there's dolphins in front of us here. Dolphins, yep. Oh, they're under the sailboat there. Where are they at? Aw. Oh, they're playing. They're playing with the buoy. Ooh, headwind is this way, so hopefully it stays that way when we come back. Ride easy. I think for the longest time that sailboat over there, there's a sailboat that was on its side for a while. I think it's up there ahead of us. Oof. There are manatees out here, but I have not seen one here. While I've been on the St. Johns River, I've not seen one yet. Okay, yeah, she's doing good. All right, here's the top of Exchange Island. They also call this the locals call this Snake Island.
Snake.
I've had several people, when I told them I was coming to Exchange Island, they're like, oh, heard that was called Rattlesnake Island. And then they'll quickly follow up with, I've never been there, but that's what they say. And I've watched some videos and they say the same thing. But maybe we'll see a snake, I don't know. I'm definitely gonna watch out for them because I'm swamp wise. But we'll see if we actually see any snakes, rattlesnake or otherwise. Oh, I think that's an osprey. On top of that sailboat there's an osprey. That's cool. It's not so bad right here. We're protected a little bit. We're protected right here. So last time during the Pottsburg Creek episode, straight ahead is the entrance to the Arlington River, which takes you to Pottsburg Creek. It also takes you to Strawberry Creek, which I want to get into. But since this is Biddy's first time out on the kayak and some time after back issues, we're going to just take it easy and go to Exchange Island. But one day, hopefully we'll go down in here and get into Strawberry Creek. Yeah, this sailboat right here was on its side not too long ago. Looks worn and lived in. Oh my God. Oh, we're going actually pretty fast. Right there, you can see it from here. Oh, someone's got a fire going. It's what? It said it's a mile. A little shallow right here. Huh?
More pleasant than our first kayaking trip.
Yes. Biddy said this is more pleasant than our first kayaking. Yeah, intercoastal waterway was rough. Biddy said that this is a lot nicer than our last kayaking trip, which was in the intercoastal waterway. We fought the tide going down and we fought the tide going up, and it was rough, and I filmed it all. No. This is so cool. I love this so much. Oh, promise. Promise. Promise of a... Hopefully when we get up here, there is a slight beach, which I believe there is a beach. I wonder if people just post these up. That does not look lived in at all. It looks like storage. Old sailboat. This island is only accessible by boat. Exchange Island is actually a dredge island. When they were dredging the St. Johns River, they piled it up over here. It became an island. See the pavilion. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, look at that sailboat. Goodness. That's a stretch. Alright, let's see if there's any snakes. Well, there's a palm tree under the water here, so I gotta be careful. There's a palm tree right there, be careful. Oh, yeah. Oh, and there was a captain on Mud Island. Look, there was a house. Or a post. That dude. Yeah. All right, park rules. See, no camping or overnight docking without permit.
That's what I saw.
That's
that
it.
green one closer to the water.
Yeah.
So we go this way to get there.
Yeah.
Let's
So we
do
gotta.
it.
Oh, actually.
Well, you can go this way, or you can go around the pond. I saw where that goes. Yeah.
Okay.
Which way do you want to go?
Probably around the pond, because look, that's covered.
Well, we don't know where this goes.
It goes into water.
It goes that way. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's go around the pond.
Because you can see the placard over there.
I took the video of the bunny first when I took the picture of that map, and it was like 25 minutes that we paddled.
Okay.
20.
Oh, little pond.
Should we bring our coolers here?
They got me all paranoid about snakes.
Tick City. I'm not paranoid about snakes. Paranoid about ticks.
I mean, that's true. Ticks are.
We're gonna get them all.
Oh, actually, I heard this island is just covered in spiders. That's what actually.
I've seen a lot of spiders. I've walked through a lot of spider webs. I'm glad I didn't wear my sneakers. I kind of wish I had brought them.
Oh, look at this. Where was that campsite?
On that side. It's like...
Oh, right there, like in that area. Oh, I hope we get to go onto the outer dock, or the outer walk.
I definitely want to camp here.
Whoa.
Oh yeah, your pole might get a lot of...
Yeah, this is going to be a spider knocker downer.
Orb weaver attractor. I just saw... Yeah, you read that thing about the man?
Yeah.
They call it Mud Island back then.
Mud Island, I know.
I believe that.
Yes, I think Mud Island is the right nomenclature.
Oh, it was created from dredge.
Yep. They dredged the St. John's River, made this island.
So this is all grown naturally in the last 100 years.
Yep. Oh my God. We could technically walk through this.
We can walk right there. Like,
I know.
but I guess you're right. Yeah. Won't kill us.
It won't kill us. I see little mud things. We'll just be mindful of water snakes and
Exchange
copper-headed
clothes.
rattle moccasins.
Copper-headed rat. Stick in here.
All right. Let's go check out these campsites.
Oh yeah.
I think you're right. I do see a camper. We'll go kind of close and then see if there's a trail around.
It's good that we're coming.
Oh look, bones, vertebrae. Looks like fish. Ooh. Oh, Exchange Island through the years. It looks like it's thinning out. Well,
A little bit.
well,
1989 already a lot of like 1960, not much going on.
oh look. It looks like they're building the bridge.
Oh, there was a. Oh, that's
Or it might have just been a dock.
1952. That
Or
was
like a
like
bridge
dock
out to like a boat ramp. Somebody said that
Atlantic Boulevard didn't even exist. Or did
no, it was just a path. Somebody said that that I watched was like they got upset about the bridge being built. They're like, that's the bridge to nowhere. It was just going to a cow pasture in Arlington. Oh, we're gonna off-road it. Oh, I'm excited. I was kind of bummed that we weren't gonna get to do this.
Aren't we lucky that we were?
Yeah, I would have just done it in my shoes
Yeah.
and just been upset. All right.
We should bring our sandwich when we go like this.
Is this the way to go?
Do you see the blazes?
I don't see any blazes. But obviously there's something.
So you end on the bridge. Where's the next blaze? Red.
Red?
Red. Is that
Red, I see it in the tree.
If it had been a snake, it would have bit me.
Tide's going out, right?
Yeah. But I mean, it's high tide right now.
Yeah. But I mean, it's only going to get better. That's what I guess. I'll make sure there's no snakes in the trees. They'll pop me in the face. Oh yeah, we can do this. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, wow. I saw this from the bridge the other day. This flag. There's Everbank Stadium, home of the Jags.
Duval.
We didn't see nary a snake. Somebody at work said that if you fell off the Matthews Bridge, that you should swim the other way because this is Snake Island. If I fell off the Matthews Bridge, I probably wouldn't care where I ended up. All these little raccoon tracks. Taking the family out. Nice little clammed egg. Mussels. No snakes yet, y'all. No snakes yet. Oh, this is where somebody said there was plans to put a bathroom. You can still see the toilet where they were going to put it. And the sewage would go out the... So that's a vent. That's a vent or something that would go straight out. But here's the toilet where you would put the toilet. Ooh. Oh, hey, a plastic Adirondack chair or whatever.
Dope.
Is it dry rotted?
It doesn't even look covered in spiders.
Oh my God, if that...
I'm not even... My pants.
Oh, actually, there's a hole right here.
A dipper.
A dip, I guess. A dip. Ugh. All right. Raccoon comes on here and drops a deuce.
Yeah, what is this?
That's their poop.
What animal?
Raccoon.
You think that's raccoon?
Yeah. I wonder if I can make it with my big old tail. Get low when the whistle blow.
This breeze looks so lovely. It's like the perfect day in the shade.
It is the perfect day. Little pond there, little tidal pond, little tidal pool, something. Oh, wow. Humans and raccoons alike have taken this path. Just, I'm following these tracks all the way there. The raccoon enjoyed a bottle of Grey Goose, it seems. Oh, wow. I got rocks all on my shoe.
This is lovely. Pavement for a stay.
Oh, yeah. I bet the sunset does look nice on this sunset trail.
Yeah.
Over the city, over the skyline. This side of the island is more leafy, yeah, and thick.
You think this is actually the end?
Oh, yoga on the beach. We'll head back, load up the stuff kind of quick. We get back in the water.
Yeah.
Classic. This one. You need help?
I need to be pushed. Because it doesn't have any handles.
Yeah, you have a handle right there.
Yeah.
That's why I was gonna always put that handle to your side that you can grab like this. All right. Wait. No. You're gonna fall out. Okay. And we're off. Oh yeah. I thought I would give some tidbits if you decide you want to make it out to Exchange Island. There are 3 pavilions with picnic tables, and those pavilions have park grills at each of them, so bring some charcoal and some hot dogs or whatever. There is a floating dock with cleats, so you can park your boat. There are 2 campsites that you can grab if you have a permit. Please wear shoes or something with a sole. There is a lot of broken glass about, and there is no running water. So that means there are no bathrooms. What? Is that for kayaks? Oh. All right, talking to her dad. I thought she was talking to me. Yeah, I think it's because we're going with the waves. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. We're going faster. It's a chop through here. Right here. Let's see if I could have made it. I could have laid down, but I'm not gonna.
Is that a doo-doo? Is that a human turd?
No, that's like a nut or something.
No,
Oh, the human turd looks like that to you?
well, sometimes
You're
when
human.
you have little
Did you-
nugs.
Oh, little nugs. Oh my God.